Dear students, in yesterday class, trigonometry chapter solved problems we have discussed until 4 examples. Let us going to discuss today example number 5, page number 277. Solved problems are going on page number 277. If a comma b not equal to 0, given that the condition sin x plus sin y is equal to a, sin x plus sin y is equal to a and cos x plus cos y is equal to b. Find first bit tan of x plus y by 2, tan of x plus y by 2, and the second bit sin of x minus y by 2, tan of x plus y by 2, and sin of x minus y by 2 in terms of a comma b. This tan of x plus y by 2 question is there in trigonometric equations chapter also. This is IMP for objective also. In level 1 objective you will face the same question in trigonometric equations. Now write the solution given value sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is equal to a, let it be first equation, and write next step cos x plus cos y is equal to b. This is second equation. Now first equation by second equation. So what is the formula of sin c plus sin d? In transformations chapter we have discussed that sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. You need to remember the formula. 2 sin of here c plus d by 2 concept x plus y by 2. 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 whole by cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So this is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to a by b. Here cos of x minus y by 2 terms got cancelled, 2 got cancelled. That implies we know that sin theta by cos theta is always tan theta. So tan of x plus y by 2 we got as a by b. This is the first answer. Now first one proved tan of x plus y by 2 we got as a by b. Now we need to calculate the value of sin of x minus y by 2. Now let us calculate the squaring and adding of first equation and second equation. Why? Because you will be get a formula depends upon the sin square terms and cos square terms. Now sin x plus sin y whole square plus cos x plus cos y whole square. Sin x plus sin y whole square. Sin x plus sin y whole square plus cos x plus cos y whole square is equal to a square plus b square. That implies this is 1 square and 2 square. 1 and 2 added by squaring both sides. So now you can understand this one as a plus b whole square formula and this one as a plus b whole square formula. Apply the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So right here this is sin square x plus this is sin square y plus this is 2 sin x sin y. In the concept you can write here this is cos square x plus this is cos square y. Cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y is equal to a square plus b square. That implies here sin square x and cos square x can be considered as 1, and this is sin square y and cos square y can be considered as 1. So 2 1s are there. You can understand there 2 because 2 1s are there. Write 2 and 2 taken common and write in the formula of this is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to a square plus b square. Now these two taken that side, you can write a square plus b square minus 2. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b formula according to multiple angles, according to compound angles, we know that this is cos of x minus y. 2 into cos of x minus y is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 we got. Now next step. 2 cos of 2 into, let us remember the formula, cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. This is submultiple angle formula, already we have discussed. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin square theta by 2. So 2 into this can be understood as 1 minus 2 sin square of x minus y by 2. That is equal to a square plus b square minus 2. That implies next step you can write as 2 minus 2 2s are 4 here. 2 minus 4 sin square of x minus y by 2. 2 minus 4 sin square of x minus y by 2. 2 minus 4 sin square of x by 2 is equal to a square plus b square minus 2. That implies these terms taken this side 2 minus 2 becomes plus here, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Write like this, you get 4 minus a square minus b square is equal to this one taken this side, this one taken this side. Then write like this, 4 sin square of x minus y by 2. 4 sin square of x minus y by 2. You can write here 2 sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to square root of, taken square root both sides, square root of 4 minus a square minus b square, 4 minus a square minus b square. Next one, we need to calculate here sin of x minus y by 2. So sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to, for square root we can put plus or minus 4 minus square root of 4 minus of a square minus b square by 2. This is the value. Sin of x minus y by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 4 minus a square minus b square by 2. Let us discuss about the example number 7, page number 278. Page number 278, example number 7. No, example 6. Page number 278, example 6. Example 6th one, prove that cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees, cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 132 degrees, cos 132 degrees plus cos 156 degrees, cos 156 degrees. Cos 12 plus cos 84 plus cos 132 plus cos 156 degrees is equal to minus 1 by 2. Is equal to minus 1 by 2. T plus 42, 90 plus 76. take LHS. LHS is cos 12 degrees plus write cos 132 degrees side by side plus cos 84 degrees. In any method we can do, any way you can get the answer, you will get the answer. Cos 84 degrees plus cos 156 degrees. You should know the formula of cos C plus cos D. Formula of cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That is equal to 2 into cos 12 plus 132, 144. 144 by 2, 72 degrees. And cos 12 minus 132, 120. It is minus 120, even though cos of minus 120, there is no minus because cos of minus theta is cos theta. 2 cos 72 cos 60 plus, in the similar way apply the formula 2 cos of 84 plus 156. 240 by 2, 120 into this is 6 4 10, not 240 student, 6 4 10 1 5 1 6 6 8 40, 140 maybe. 84 plus 156 once you do. 84 plus 156, 140, 140 by 2, 70. Into cos 84 minus 156. 84 156. This is 140. 240. Oh, 240. 240. 156 plus 8. Okay, 240. So it is 120. 240. Now cos, what is the value of 156 minus 84? 156 minus 84. 72. 72 by 2. 36. Right like this. That is equal. Cos 36. 2 cos 120 into cos 36. Next one. We can take common. Okay, right here. 2 into cos 72 is nothing but sin 18. The value of sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 plus 2 into cos 120 value minus 1 by 2 into cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Now you can write root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus root 5. Take LCM like this. Minus root 5 minus 1. Total by 4. Root 5 get cancelled. Here we got minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. Let us write example 7. Show that for any theta belongs to real number. For any theta belongs to real number. 4 sin 5 theta by 2. Any theta belongs to real number. 4 sin 5 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 into cos theta is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Sin theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 7 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 7 theta. This sum we can do by taking LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS also. Anyhow, no problem. Take LHS, you will get the value. Take LHS 4 sin 5 theta by 2 cos theta. 4 sin 5 theta by 2 cos 3 theta by 2 into cos theta. That is equal to, you can write here 2 into 2 like this. 2 into 2 sin 5 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 into cos theta. 2 into 2 sin theta 5 theta by 2 cos theta 3 theta by 2. Apply the formula. So you should remember the formula here. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B formula. This is of the form 2 sin A cos B. In transformations topic, first formula I said that 2 sin A cos B is
cos 3 theta.
Question cos 3. Question cos 3. What is the formula of 2 sin A cos B? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. This is the first formula of transformations. Apply here the formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, meaning sin of 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2. What is the value of 5 theta plus 3 theta? The 8 theta by 2 becomes 4 theta. Plus sin of A minus B. So sin of 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. So it is 2 theta by 2. So theta you write. Next step, you should write here cos 3 theta. That is equal to multiply with 2 terms and write like this. Sin 4 theta cos 3 theta plus sin 4 theta cos 3 theta plus sin theta cos 3 theta. Sin theta cos 3 theta. Now multiply and divide with 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 sin 4 theta cos 3 theta. 2 sin 4 theta cos 3 theta plus again here 2 sin theta cos 3 theta. Apply the formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So 1 by 2 overall taking common and it becomes sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B becomes here sin 4 theta plus 3 theta becomes sin 7 theta plus sin A minus B concept here sin 4 theta minus 3 theta, it becomes simply sin theta. In the similar ways, directly I have taken common 1 by 2. For this one you can understand 2 sin A cos B concept. 2 sin A cos B becomes sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So sin of A plus B meaning here sin 4 theta and sin of A minus B becomes here 3 theta minus 3 theta. Theta minus 3 theta becomes minus 2 theta. For the value sin of minus theta becomes minus sin theta. That is why you can write here minus sin 2 theta. You can write here minus sin 2 theta. That is equal to whatever the value you got. Whatever the value you need, we got the value RHS understood. Sin theta in the order he given. 1 by 2 should be there. So 1 by 2 should be there. Maybe here, of course, for 2 is there. This 2 I forgot to write. No problem. At last you write. So no need to write 2 by 2. Otherwise, simply try to understand 2 by 2 got cancelled. Don't write here. Now you can write directly sin theta in order. First theta, next 2 theta like this. Sin theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 7 theta. This is RHS. By taking RHS also we can get LHS. Let us write example 8. This is objective question level 2 bit. In our material transformation chapter is there, it is level 2 bit in objective. Example 8, page number 278. Example 8. If none of a comma b and a plus b is an integral multiple of pi, then prove that, directly I am writing, prove that 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a plus cos b minus cos of a plus b. 1 minus cos a plus cos b minus cos of a plus b whole by 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a minus cos b minus cos of a plus b is equal to tan a by 2 into tan a by 2 into cot b. This is RHS. Tan a by 2 into cot b by 2. Take LHS. So better to write like this. 1 minus cos of a plus b. Take this one as a term. Minus take common in these two terms. Minus of, within brackets you write minus of cos a minus cos b whole by. Similar way, you better to write here in the model 1 minus cos of a plus b here. 1 minus cos of a plus b. And plus you write now. Plus cos a minus cos b. That is equal to, I am making you to remember the formula that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the submultiple angle 2 sin square theta by 2. That is equal to, now we write like this, 2 sin square of a plus b by 2. 2 sin square of a plus b by 2. Now cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So minus of minus becomes plus here. 2 sin c means here a. 2 sin c plus d by 2 meaning here a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Fifth formula is in transformations, product to sum or sum to product. You should not forget and revise the formula cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Instead of minus I had written plus. 2 sin a, because minus of minus becomes plus. 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 had written. In the similar way of numerator, you write here 2 sin square of a plus b by 2. 2 sin square of a plus b by 2 plus here the formula minus 2 sin. Whenever it is plus, you should write minus here. Minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2. Minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Now, in numerator and in denominator also, you can take common the letter 2 sin of a plus b by 2. The term 2 sin of a plus b by 2 taken common. So now 2 sin of a plus b by 2 within brackets you should write like this, sin of a plus b by 2 minus sin of a minus b by 2 whole by, in the denominator also you take common 2 sin of a plus b by 2 and in the denominator you will get like this, sin of a plus b by 2 minus, here plus, in the numerator it is plus, in denominator it is minus, sin of a plus b by 2 minus sin of a minus b by 2. These two terms will be getting cancelled. Use the formula sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. It becomes 2 sin a cos b. Here by 2 is there. Whenever by 2 is there, simply you should write the angle as by 2. So now you should write 2 sin a cos b in the place 2 sin a by 2 cos b by 2. In the place you should write 2 sin A by 2 cos B by 2 whole by sin A plus B minus sin A minus B formula 2 cos A sin B. So now you should write 2 cos A by 2 into sin B by 2. 2 get cancelled. Now sin A by 2 directly you can write sin A by 2 by cos A by 2 is tan A by 2 into cos B by 2 by sin B by 2 is cot B by 2. Because sin theta by cos theta is tan theta and cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. In our objective material, they given as tan A by 2 by tan B by 2. Because cot B by 2 can be written as 1 by tan B by 2. In our material, the formula is like this. Tan A by 2 by tan B by 2. It is objective sum. Okay, let us go into discuss about the ninth question. Ninth question. For any alpha belongs to R, alpha belongs to real number, prove that alpha belongs to real number, prove that cos square of alpha minus pi by 4, cos square of alpha minus pi by 4 into cos square of alpha plus pi by 2, cos square of alpha plus pi by 2 minus cos square of alpha minus pi by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Let us remember the formula. First take LHS. 1 by 12. Okay.
1 by 12. 1 by 2 only.
1 by 2 only. Cos square of alpha minus pi by 4 plus cos square of alpha plus pi by 12. This is also pi by 12.
5 by 2 only. 5 by 2 only.
Wrong.
1 by 2 only.
It is right side 1 by 2 only.
5 by 12.
Cos square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus cos square of alpha minus pi by 2. It's okay. Now it's okay. Take LHS of the sum. Cos square of alpha minus pi by 4. Cos square of alpha minus pi by 4 into cos square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus cos square of alpha minus pi by 12. One formula is there. The formula of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to cos square b minus cos square a. We have learnt sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula sin a square a minus sin square b only. Of course, I had written there this one also. Sin square a minus sin square b can be understood as 1 minus cos square a minus of 1 minus cos square b, like cos square b minus cos square a. So, try to understand this term as b and this term as a. This term as b and this term as a. The term implies. So, and once again, remember the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. So, what is the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? In terms of cos, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So, in the similar way, for that one, you can understand cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta whole by 2. For this one, I want to write the formula. That is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here 2 into theta meaning alpha minus pi by 4 whole by 2 plus apply the formula. Here this is b and this is a. So now you should write sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So sine of a plus b becomes sine of a, meaning here alpha minus pi by 12, plus a minus sine of a plus b, a meaning alpha minus pi by 12 and b meaning alpha plus pi by 12, alpha plus pi by 12 into sine of a minus b. So what is a here? Alpha minus pi by 12. Minus is there. So minus alpha minus pi by 12 you should write. Minus alpha minus pi by 12. That is equal to, next step you should write like this, 1 plus cos of 2 pi by 4 minus 2 alpha whole by 2 plus, here minus pi by 12 and plus pi by 12 get cancelled, alpha minus alpha get cancelled. Dear students, you will get doubt here, sir, why did you change unnecessarily here alpha minus pi by 4 as 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 alpha? Because cos of minus theta is cos theta. Just I have converted the value in terms of minus. There is no minus for cos theta. That is why I had written directly and multiplied with 2. 2 pi by 4 minus 2 alpha. 2 pi by 4 becomes pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus 2 alpha can understand as cos 90 minus alpha. Cos 90 minus alpha is nothing but sin alpha. So write here sin 2 alpha. Next step. It's okay. Now what is the value you are getting here? Sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha into sin of minus 2 pi by 12. Okay, right here. Minus 2 pi by 12. That is equal to, next step you can write 1 plus cos, this is 90 students, cos 90 minus 2 alpha can be understood as sin 2 alpha. Cos 90 minus alpha can be understood as sin 2, here sin 2 alpha. This 2 will be getting cancelled 6 times. Understand the formula, sin of minus alpha is equal to minus sin alpha. So now write here minus sin 2 alpha. Minus sin 2 alpha into, this is sin 30 degrees. Sin 2 alpha into whole by 2 also. Sin 30 degrees. That is equal to, next step I am writing as 1 plus sin 2 alpha. 1 plus sin 2 alpha whole by 2 minus sin 2 alpha. Minus sin 2 alpha into the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So overall you can take as LCM as 2. LCM as 2 and write like this. This is 1 plus sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha. So sin 2 alpha get cancelled. You got the value 1 by 2. This is our answer. Students, today I am going to give homework to you. First Roman 6 sums are there. Try yourself. I am giving homework to you. Exercise 6E. Exercise 6E. First Roman. I am writing questions who is not having textbooks. Prove that. Who is not having textbooks, see the question and do the sums. Sin 50 degrees minus sin 70 degrees plus sin 10 degrees is equal to 0. Second one, this is also proved that everything is proved that here sin 70 minus cos 40. Sin 70 minus cos 40. Sin 70 minus cos 40 by cos 50 minus sin 20 is equal to 1 by root 3. If you are having any doubt while converting the values sin into cos or cos into sin, or having any doubt regarding formula, you can ask me. Third one, cos 55 degrees. This is a 2 marks IMP question. This is cos 55 degrees. Cos 55 degrees plus cos 65 degrees plus cos 175 degrees is equal to 0. This is a sum in objective also. In objective level 1. To do the all sums, you need to remember the formula. Next, to prove that this is also 2 marks IMP question. 4 into cos 66 degrees. 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees. Cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees equal to root 3 plus root 15. Fifth question is there. Cos 20 degrees. Cos 20 degrees into cos 40 degrees minus sin 5 degrees. Minus sin 5 degrees into sin 25 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4. Sixth question. This is also 2 marks question. In exam, we asked plenty of times. And in objective material also the question is there. Cos 48 into cos 12 is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 8. These are all level 1 objective bits. If you can do these all sums, then you can say that you know trigonometry. Otherwise, you should read the formula properly. You should know the formula properly. Okay, students, I left the 10th question. It is most IMP 7 marks question. It is somewhat lengthy sum. The 10th question I will discuss in tomorrow class.